Welcome back, and now you can see this is new Narzo 70 Turbo Realme phone, which is 5G. I am going to tell you about the specifications and I will unbox you just right now in front of you, and I will show you about how the looks of this phone, the specifications of the phone. You may wonder, this is coming with Dimensity 7300 CPU. You can imagine, you can now get it under 13,000, 14,000. So, not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel and share it with your family and friends. So, not wasting much of your time, I am going to tell you about this phone, and after that I will unbox it. So, this phone is coming in turbo yellow, turbo green and turbo purple, three colors with I have told you Dimensity 7300 Energy 5G chipset. Antutu score is 750,000. It is coming with 6GB, 8GB and 26GB RAM with 128 and 256GB storage, ROM, 45-watt fast charger, 5000 mAh battery, stainless steel VC, 6050 mm square cooling area, 120 Hz OLED sports display, 50 megapixel AI camera. So display is 120 Hz OLED sports display, I have told you. Now just this selfie is 16 megapixel selfie. Now I will unbox it. So this is, you can do this. Okay, now see what is happening. Okay, I will come now, remove the plastics. Okay, it has now been received. Now see what will happen. Okay, this is yellow, you can sense it, you can see it. This one, now we have to see what is this. You can say this is, okay, some documentation about Realme. Okay, memory card toolkit. This is memory toolkit to remove sim toolkit basically. And this is the cover. From here you can imagine that camera will be the square shape, will be of a square shape. So now see what, just see, this is a phone, this is a paper, just like that. Now see, this is, what is this? Okay, this is charger cable. This is 45-watt camera, you can see here, 45-watt camera. Okay, here you can see 16 ampere. Now that's all. This is what was in the box. Now coming to the phone. Here you can just remove it. This is a sleek phone, you can see, it's the slimmest phone. Okay, this is the camera, 50 megapixel AI camera, flashlight. Then this is selfie camera. Now one thing, this is volume, plus minus. Here power on off on button means this will in display, fingerprint sensor. Now here you can see 3.5 mm jack, stereo, noise cancellation mic. Here you can see this camera, charging point, SIM toolkit. From here SIM tray, you can remove it and you will put the SIM. Now I will switch on it, see what is happening. I think this is discharge, and no, something is this. Now it is booting. The first boot of the new Narzo 70 turbo phone. Okay, now language English, India. Okay, next connect a mobile, insert a SIM card. So now I will insert and I will connect the SIM card and I will configure it. In the next video I will tell you the difference qualities, difference tricks of this Realme Narzo 70 Turbo phone. This is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the channel, please do consider to subscribe it.